In this video, I'll show you how you can change your password in Crunchyroll. All you have to do is open a browser and go to crunchyroll.com. And then let's say, for instance, you have signed in into your account and you'd like to change it once you're signed in. All you have to do is click on the profile icon at the top right corner and then select settings. Within the settings, scroll down and find the account section and choose password. And then you should see this option, change password. Changing your password will sign you out of other devices. Simply select reset password. Now at this point, you'll be prompted to type in the email address that is currently linked to that Crunchyroll account. So type in your address and then select send. And then you should see, please check your account inbox. Okay, so all you have to do is go to your inbox and then you should find an email from Crunchyroll. So give it a few seconds. So as you can see, the email is here. All you have to do is select it and then please click here to reset your password or to change your password, in other words. So simply click on that. And then from here, you have to type in the new password that you'd like to use. And then you have to type it again to confirm it. And then once you type everything, all you have to do is select reset password, and that will change your Crunchyroll password. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.